I have a short pathway of how to land into Canada right now. And this pathway is not the regular type of pathway we all know. I was amazed that the recent express entry draw held for this particular pathway had the lowest score ever. It has the score of 336. Recently, I shared that video. They invited 7,000 candidates, and this particular one I'll be telling you about, they invited 2,500 candidates. And what's it about? And this is the French community. Canada is trying to encourage the movement of French speakers into Canada. Let me read it for you. This Express Entry Joy 287, invited French language category of 2,500 candidates. And this was recently held. And what, I don't want this video to be too lengthy, but who qualifies for this? You know, the regular will go with IELTS, and IELTS is already jam-packed, is already overwhelmed, right? French speakers now, you just need to only score 7 in the French exam. That's Niveau de compétence linguistique canadiens. You only need to score 7 in speaking, in listening, in writing, and in reading. I don't think that's too much to do. And what other one? Just meet all the requirements. Why I'm bringing this up is the recent policies coming back and forth with attestation, proof of funds, and international students and the likes. We have to look at other pathways with less pressure. And trust me, this francophone community trend is here to stay. And if you can learn French, this is the right time to do it. Even if you have IELTS, this is the right time to do it. And I have a beautiful offer for you. I'm collaborating with Wazo, and they'll be holding a 3 month class for beginners. Like you don't know anything about French, you don't know anything about French. And the focus will be on speaking, reading, writing, and listening. The 4 areas, the 4 categories that we need to use to land into Canada instantly. And trust me, if you can enroll for this particular course, you have nothing to lose. There's an adage that says there's no one way that leads to the market. For you to be well equipped for this Canada journey, so when they ask you that, do you have this? You say yes. Do you have this? You say yes. And you're ready. So this, I'll be showing you the flyer. This course covers conversation skills, basic grammar, pronunciation, and speaking. And the beautiful thing I love about this is the learning method. The learning method is going to be, it's centered around fun. The main goal is for you to have fun. You know, sometimes when you're learning a new language and it's all so strict, you feel overwhelmed with busy schedules and you just tend to dump it somewhere, right? But this will be incorporating a lot of avenues that will make it interesting. We have learning music, movies, videos. We have weekly assignments. We have monthly exams, and we also have weekend classes. What is the learning goal for this? So, one is to learn French while having fun in the process. I already mentioned that. And number two is to move from level A0 to level A1 and A2. Next goal is to ace the French A1 and A2 exam and also to stand out globally. Trust me, French is one of the top 3 languages that is most spoken around the world. So if you want to stand out globally, wherever you are, you need to acquire this French skill. And don't forget, one of the reasons why I love this so much is because it will fit into your schedule no matter how busy your schedule is. This is going to work. For more updates, you can reach out to this email address infochiomaevo@gmail.com or you WhatsApp this number. +2349041553223. So hurry now to join the class. Don't miss it. So that will be the end of this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye for now.